Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how we can convert an existing set of data into a drop-down in the Google Sheets. So I have this data present in my current Google Sheet. As you can see, I have a region column where I have East, Central, West. So I want to convert this to a drop-down. This will be useful like when you want to change the Central to East, you can directly select it from the drop-down. So to do that, just select this column, just select all this data, okay, like this. Right click, click on drop down. When you click on drop down, it will open a window here. So you see I have three different values in this current column, so those are shown here. If you want, you can add colors to them as well. After that, just click on done. So here you go. So these are the three values which are present in this column. So if you want to change it, you can directly click on West. So this is how you can add drop down to your current set of data in your Google Sheets. And if you want to add a drop down column manually, let me show you that how you can do it. Just add a new column. Let's give it a name as gender. And suppose here you want to add a male female gender column. So to do that, just type down @dropdown. So here you go, it shows the drop down, new drop down, and here you can add the values, female, male. Click on done. Now you can select from the drop down. So currently it is applied to only one row. Let me do it for all. Yeah. You see, now you can change this to whatever you want. So this is how you can add a drop down into your Google Sheets. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.